Realme launched two new Narzo series phones in India called Realme Narzo 80X and Narzo 80 Pro. Among these two, the Realme Narzo 80 Pro is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's explore the specifications of the Narzo 80 Pro smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus curved OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo 80 Pro sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, as well as it is military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.75 by 74.92 by 7.55 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 21,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 23,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 11th, in racing green and speed silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 80 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.